equivalent fractions. So I can write this as, let us assume I want to see the shaded portion. I can write the shaded portion as, for this figure,
One by two.
I can write this as the shaded portion.
2 by 4.
2 by 4. This I can write as
3 by 6.
1, 2, 3. 3 by 6. Perfect. I can write this as
4 by 8.
4 by 8. Are these equivalent?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, they are equivalent. Because 1 by 2, if I multiply the numerator and denominator by 2, I will get 2 by 4, which is equal to this. Again, if I take 1 by 2, I multiply numerator and denominator by 3, I will get 3 by 6, which is equivalent to this. Again, 1 by 2, I multiply numerator and denominator by 4, I will get 4 by 8, which is equal to this. So all these 4 fractions, they are equivalent. Mr. Sarthak, is there any problem?
No, sir.
So, okay. So the shaded portion can be written as here.
So I again thought that the circle was
No, it's okay. It's okay. So have you taken the unshaded portion?
yes, sir.
Okay. So the unshaded portion, the fraction of unshaded portion is?
So just a second.
Yeah.
I can find it.
So see, I can write this as 1, 2, 3, 4. I can write this as 4 by, the total is 12. I can write this as 1, 2, 3. 3 by 9. I can write this as 1, 2. 2 by 6. I can write this as 1 by 3. Now I'm talking about the shaded part. Shaded part only. This I can write as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 18. So if I look at all these fractions closely, what I'll see is that I can write this as 1 by 3. Again, I can write this as 1 by 3. This as 1 by 3, and this again as 1 by 3. Mr. Sarthak, is it okay?
Yes, sir.
So these are equivalent fractions. Equivalent fractions. Is there any problem?
So I took the unshaded portion, sir.
Okay, yeah, but it's better that you understand that, you know, when you are doing exams, then you'll have to take care.
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
Okay. Or in case there is a confusion, you should always ask your teacher.
Yes, sir.
If there is
So
a-
I don't understand how to do this question.
This one, question number 2. Okay. Write the fraction and pair up the equivalent fractions from each one. Okay. So what I need to do is, in terms of, let us write in terms of shaded portion. Shaded portion. So I can write this in the form of a fraction would be equal to
1 by 2.
1 by 2. This would be equal to
4 by 6.
4 by 6. Perfect. This would be equal to
3 by 9.
perfect. This would be equal to
2 by 8.
perfect. This would be equal to
3 by 4.
3 by 4. Okay. Now 2 by 8. 2 by 8 I can write as 1 by 4. 3 by 9 I can write as 1 by 3. This I can write as 2 by 3. Is there any confusion?
No, sir.
No, sir. So what are the equivalent fractions that you see now? Here, do you see any equivalent fraction?
No, sir.
Here I don't see any equivalent fraction. Okay. Yes, there is no equivalent fraction. Oh,
So I think we have to pair up with the next row.
the next one. Okay, let's try to do that. Okay. So this again shaded portion. So what would be the fraction?
6 by 18.
4, 5, 6, 6 by 18. Perfect. This would be equal to
4 by 8.
4 by 8. This would be equal to shaded
12 by 16.
12 by 16. This would be equal to
8 by 12.
yes, perfect. This would be equal to have you understood?
4 by 16.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this I can write as 1 by 3. This I can write as 1 by 2. This I can write as 3 by 4. This I can write as 2 by 3. This I can write as 1 by 4. Mr.
So
Sarthak,
DM,
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
so DN5 we can match.
D and 5 we can match. Yes, sir. You are right. We can match these two. And then
B and 4.
B and 4 we can match. Yes, sir. We can match these two. And
E and 3.
A and 3. No, E and 3. Okay. Yes.
E and
Yes, sir. You are right. Any other?
C and 2.
C. Oh, C is 1 by 3. C and 1. Yes, sir.
So what is 2? Oh, I
1.
thought
1 by.
A and
Is it okay?
yes, sir.
Any other?
A and 2.
Yes, sir. You are right. Is there any confusion?
No, sir.
Perfect. Let's go ahead, Mr. Sarthak. Okay. So what should I write here? What should I write here? Replace this.
By 28.
Yeah. So 2 into 4 is 8. So 7 into 4 is 28. Perfect. What should I write here?
10 by 16.
Yes, sir. 5 to the 10. So 8 2s are 16. Perfect. What should I write here?
12 by 20.
So 5 4s are 20. So 3 4s are 12. Perfect. What should I write here?
15 by 20.
15 3s are 45. So something multiplied by 60. Something multiplied by 3 should be equal to 60. So it should be 20. Is there any confusion?
No, sir.
Perfect. What should I write here?
3/4.
So 4 6 4 6 are 24. So something multiplied by 6 should be 18, and that should be 3. Is there any confusion?
No, sir.
Perfect, sir. Question 4.
12/20.
So denominator is 20. So 5 4 the 3 4 the 12. Correct. Yes, sir. B part.
18/30.
So 3 3s are 9. And why should I have 5 3 the 15? Sarthak, is there any problem? Acha, you told this answer. Okay. 5 6 are 30 and 3 6 are 18. Okay. Perfect. Okay. This is it. Have you understood this? 9 by 15?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What should be the answer for this? D part?
27/45.
3 9s are 27, 9 5s are 45. Perfect. Perfect. Question 5th.
So I can't find questions.
Okay. It's okay. It's okay. So write the equivalent fraction of 36 or 48 with numerator 9. So if this is 9, so 9 4 the 36. 9 into 4 is 36. So we need a number here which when multiplied by 4 will give us 48, and that number
9.
is 12, 12 4 the 48. Mr. Sarthak, is there a problem?
No, sir.
Okay. So denominator 4. So what should be the number, Mr. Sarthak? What do you think?
3.
Okay. 4 into 12 is 48. So something into 12 should be 36, and that number is 3. Perfect. Perfect, Mr. Sarthak. Okay. Question 6. Are these equivalent? Mr. Sarthak, A part.
No, sir.
C.
Sorry, yes, sir.
Yes, sir. 6 5 the 30, 6 9 the 54. So they are equivalent. Yes. Are these equivalent? See, you can reduce this. How can I reduce this? I will divide by 2. 2 6 at 12. 2. Can I reduce this further? 6 by 25. Can I reduce this further?
No, sir.
So are they equivalent?
No, sir.
No, sir. Are these equivalent?
No, sir.
No, sir. Perfect. Okay. Can you do the 7th question? Have you done it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what should be the answer?
4/5.
So 12 4s are 48, 12 5 is 60. This will be 4 by 5. This would be equal to
5/2.
0 0 cancel. 3 5 the 15, 3 2 the 6. So this is 5 by 2. Perfect. This would be equal to
6/7.
I can divide both by Let me take a small number, 284 by 98. 2 4 the 2 the 4 the 9 the, and then of course I have 7. So this is 7 6 the 7 6 by 7. Sathik, is there a problem?
So that's what I said. 6
Yeah.
by 7.
Perfect. 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 Okay, this will be equal to
3 by 13.
4 3 the 12, 4 1 3 the 3 by 13 is perfect. Mr. Sathik. 7 by 28.
1 by 4.
Yes, sir. 7 1 the 7 4 the, this will be equal to 1 by 4. Perfect. Have you done question number 8?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What is the answer?
So both of them are, all three are equivalent, and they use both of them use half of the pencils.
Ramesh had 20 pencils. Shidu had 50 pencils. Jamal had 80 pencils. After 4 months, Ramesh used up 10 pencils. Shidu used up 25. Jamal used up 40. So what fraction did each use up? We have written here. Now we need to see that are they equivalent or not. So what I do is I try to cancel. So this will be equal to 1 by 2. Again, this is equal to 1 by 2. Again, this is equal to 1 by 2. Mr. Sarthak, am I okay?
Yes, sir.
So they are equivalent. Good. Question 9. I can write this 250 by 400 as.
So I think I only did the question 8.
Not a problem. So I'll cancel this. This will be equal to 5 by 8. Now 2 by 3 I can't reduce. 5 by 8 I can't reduce. So 5 by 8 is equal to
250 by 400.
match the equivalent fractions and write 2 more of each. Okay. So this again I should cancel. No, this is not equal. So 5 by 8 is equal to 5 by 8. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
If I want to write 2 more, what can I write?
Ten by 16.
Okay, the easiest are 50 by 80, 500 by 800. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
If I had to write another, I would have written them as 5000 by 8000. These are the easiest to write. Is there a problem?
No, sir.
So try to write what is the easiest. I think I have made a mistake here. Okay. As equivalent fraction, write 2 more of each. Okay, I made a mistake here. I should have written this as 5 by 8. Now this one part would be matched with B part. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
This is not into consideration. Okay. So for example, this is 0 0. This is equal to 9 by 10. So this second part will be matched to which fraction?
E.
E. Yes, sir. And equivalent fractions for 9 by 10 would be
90 by 100.
perfect. And
900 by 1000.
next question. I can write the equivalent fraction of 660 by 990 as I
So
can
6 by 9.
perfect. 6 by 9, I can cancel this further. 2 by 3. Therefore, 3 will be matched with
8.
8. Perfect. And I can write 2 by 3 and 20 by 30 and 200 by 300. Is there a problem?
No, sir.
No, sir. Fourth, this is equal to 1 by 2. So, fourth gets matched with
C.
4 gets matched with C. And half I can write as 10 by 20 or 100 by 20. Last is 2 by 5. So fifth gets matched with B. Sathak, is there a problem?
No, sir.
2 by 5 is equal to 20 by 50 and 200 by 5. Is there a problem?
No, sir.